Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the introduction to blood. Blood is a viscous fluid formed of the cellular element suspended in plasma. The adult human has from 4 to 5 liters of blood formed of the cell and plasma circulating the body in vessels. Plasma forms about 55% of the total blood volume. The other 45% comprises of a variety of different forms of cell. The total blood volume forms about 7 to 8% of the human weight in normal healthy adult. The cellular element composed of first is the erythrocytes, red blood cells, leukocytes, white blood cells, and platelets. Plasma is a viscous translucent yellowish fluid composed of water 90%, protein, organic salts 1%, and organic compound 2% such as the amino acids, lipid, and vitamins. Outside the blood vessels, blood undergoes a complex reaction called the coagulation or the clot formation, which play an important role in repairing damaged blood vessels and preventing the blood loss. Erythrocytes and blood platelets perform their functions inside the blood vessels, whereas the leukocytes reside temporarily in the blood vessel and then leave the bloodstream through the capillary walls and venues to enter either the connective tissues or lymphoid tissues. The ratio of erythrocytes to the total blood volume is about 43% and is known as hematocrit. Next is the characteristics of the blood. First is the color. Arterial blood is bright red due to high oxygen content. Venous blood is very dark or purplish red due to low oxygen content. The color of the blood from the pulmonary vein and the arteries are reversed since they carry blood from and to the lungs capillaries for the elimination of carbon dioxide. Second is the volume. It varies with the size of the person. The total volume approximately 6 to 8% of the total body weight. At birth, the total blood volume is around 250 to 350 ml. After infancy, the volume increases gradually until adult life. The total blood volume for adult man and woman ranges from 60 to 80 kilogram body weight. Next is the viscosity. Viscosity, the relative viscosity in vitro at 18 degrees Celsius. Whole blood 3.8 to 5.7, plasma that is 1.67 to 2.35, and serum that is 1.58 to 2.18. Specific gravity is whole blood that is in the case of man 1.055 to 1.064 and whole blood in case of women is 1.05 to 1.060. In today's class, I discuss about the characteristic of the blood and introduction to blood. Thank you.